Hey everyone, Mark with Nightingale University, and today we're going to highlight the movements of our VXO, our new task chair offering. The VXO comes standard with our Nebula Mesh. Our Nebula Mesh is a four-way stretch fabric incorporated into a four-way stretch mesh. What that does, folks, it gives you the look and the feel of fabric, but with the dynamic movement and support and stretchability and breathability of mesh. Okay. You also have a lumbar on the back, which is easily adjustable up and down, and so you've got three factors working to support your lower lumbar thoracic area. You have the lumbar bar, you have the Nebula Mesh, and you also have a very distinct design of our back, a very pronounced curve that all helps to sink the back of your pelvis into the area to support your lumbar. I'm going to move into the chair now, and we'll highlight some of the movements. On your right side, you have your adjustment levers. The gas lift on this is different. Every motion up and down is activated by pushing the lever down. So if you want to raise your chair up, you still have to push that lever down very gently, one finger, and you want to lower it, you see with one finger that lowers for me. Okay? You're also going to see two lock symbols, icons on the side of your paddle. This is a single lock position. So it's locked upright for me. If I pull it out, I go into a free float. Okay? You can upgrade to a multi-locking position if you want. For the costs of this chair, this is very unique as well. You have a side tension bar control on the VXO. That's unheard of for a chair in this pricing level. And so that again adjusts your tension as required. Right to tight, left to loose. Standard is Enersorb seating. In our seat, we have our waterfall design to help alleviate pressure spots. And now I'll highlight our arms for us. Our arms are actually on a spring-loaded system. So you have your button underneath, and watch how this just pops up for you. Okay? You could hear it clicking. It locks into three different positions and sits securely to support your arm. Okay? And that's how simple your arms move. Our VXO, folks, for more information, come and join us at nightingalechairs.com.